My name is Bayan Dahdah. I'm a Palestinian designer, artist, multidisciplinary, still trying to figure out the exact term. But my work is somewhere between art and design. In general, all my work has to have a very strong concept or story baseline. So I let the idea dictate the medium rather than the other way around. For the current items in the shop, they were fashion items and they're part of two collections that I have. The 3 Tales of Tenderness is 3 love stories from the region. So it's 3 shirts, the one size, unisex, and they all have hand-painted items on it. And then the second collection is called Chicago Land, which I have 2 t-shirts and 2 hats here in the store. And Chicago Land was an exploration of my dad's journey studying in Chicago in the 70s. He had taken an English literature course and his professor wrote him a letter because she couldn't believe that her strongest English student was Arab. And she wrote him this really beautiful letter and she signed it off with "What a time to be Arab" at the end. And that's what inspired, like I put it on the hat, I put it on the t-shirt. And I think, the hat is a bestseller because I put a lot of heart and soul into the backstory of each of these products. I hope for people to take an interest and to look into it and to read about it. I think it's so important that a lot of the designers here, I don't know what percentage, but most of them are Arab designers from the region. I think there is this wave of new, I feel like there's an Arab renaissance happening. Maybe that's a strong word, but so many people are creating things now and are wanting to work with only regional designers. And for example, this is my first time in Saudi, and this allows me to open up a whole new audience of people here that I probably wouldn't have been able to reach from my quiet little studio in Amman or Dubai, So I want to connect more with the Arab region. I want to go to every Arab country.